everyone, today we are going to understand English grammar topic pronoun. It is very easy but still it is little tough because it's a types children don't know. They know very simple that he or she is pronoun, but what about other, because it has many types. So today we are going to study one type, and you can say introduction of pronoun. So what are pronoun? You know noun very well. Nouns are naming words. Suppose anything you see around you, those have names are called noun. And your boy, his proper name is Ram. So you want to tell so many things about him, like Ram is going, Ram is playing, Ram is eating. So again and again you cannot call him Ram. So instead of telling again and again his name, we replace Ram word as he. If anyone is boy or male, so we use a word he. So pronoun are those word which replace noun word. Okay. So what you will say if you want to say Ram is going, okay, and then you want to say Ram is playing. So instead of Ram, you will use a word he. Ram is going, he is playing, he is a very good boy, he is good in study, at study. So these words you will use if you want to write some lines about any noun. Okay, so I think pronoun is very clear. Types of pronoun, it is of many types. So today we are going to study personal pronoun. First type of pronoun is a personal pronoun. Personal pronoun relate with the living things or non-living. If you are talking about yourself, like I am going, so what is here? I pronoun. Okay, so I is a pronoun. If you talk about that we are going, like you want to go somewhere with your parents, there are so many people, so you will use word we. So we is also a pronoun. He, I told you, for any male person. She for any female person, anybody, you will use word she for female. It normally we use for living, non-living, and for animals. Okay, sometimes we start sentence by pronoun, so this time these words become subject. When you use these words in an indirect way, so that time these words become objective. Subjective pronouns are different and objective pronoun are different. So that is why question comes underline personal pronoun type. So personal pronoun are also of two types: subjective personal pronoun and objective personal pronoun. First of all, remember, pronouns are naming words but used instead of noun. Means naming words mean they are replacing any noun itself. They are not noun, they are taking complete kind of thing. Like if any male person is there, that is means he. If female, that means she. If you are talking about yourself, like I am going, so I is pronoun. I plural is we are going. If you are talking about someone many are going, third person, they become they. Now we are going to study personal pronoun in a detail. We divided all these personal pronoun into three categories: first person, second person, third person. Remember, this question is very important. This comes in exam also. Underline what who are what words are personal, first person, second person, third person. So I and we are first person because they are talking. Like I want to say I am going, so I am speaking, you are listening. Here somebody is saying we are going, so again we are speaking and listener is you. So first person are those who are speaking, second person is always you. Okay, third person rest of, like we are talking about someone, that boy is very tall, so he. Same with she, it, they. Now question come, what are singular and plural? Here also you can just remember important thing. I is singular first person, we is plural first person, you is always secondary, so is second person, and third person he, she, it, they are singular and they are plural. If you want to use these words as an objective, so I will become me, we become us, and you will remain you. he will become him, she will become her, it will remain it, they will become them. Because this question come in exam, please give me a glass of water. Here you want to talk about yourself. So here you are not going to use I, because I pronoun used to start the sentence. So that is subjective pronoun. But when it comes in a between the sentence, it become objective, like we play with them. So here we have started a sentence, we play with them. So we is subjective pronoun, and with whom we play, them. So that is objective. So you see here, they is a subjective pronoun and them is a objective pronoun. For example, please give me a glass of water. So here instead of I we have used me. Me is a first person, but still it is a subjective. So many question can come here. What are pronoun? Pronoun are the words which take place of noun, and they are of many types. Today we will study only first type of, that is personal pronoun. Okay, personal pronoun are I, we, you, they, he, she, it, etc. Okay, so they are used in a two way. First, when we use as a subject, when we talk about the person, and objective is a when we are going to talk with somebody, like we play with whom, with them. So we is a subjective pronoun and objective is them. Same, she loves to play with her, usko pasand hai, like she loves to play with her means, so she is a here subjective. With her means someone could be there, her friend also. So here is a subjective and objective pronoun. Please, you can take a screenshot also. These are first persons, second person, third person. Subjective, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. And objective, I will become me, we become us, you will remain you, and these will become objective. So this we have studied today pronoun, first type of pronoun, that is personal pronoun. One more thing I have discussed just right now. First person singular, what is? Please reply if you know. First person singular, who is singular, I or we? Please reply if you have listened this video carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day. For any query you can message me, so I'll put video accordingly. Thank you. Have a nice day.